Muskan, and today we are gonna unbox one mystery car that is pink. So I'll do some magic. Magic is here. I can't know how to open it because my mom tried to open it, but it's too hard to open it. I think there's mystery. I think there's surprise inside. I can't know what is inside. I think there's chocolate. I think not. I think there's toys inside. Guys, can you know what is inside? Me too, I can't know. Can't peek because it's too hard to open it. Okay, we'll try with my nose. I think my mom is gonna help me to open it, so I'll tell my mom. Guys, my mom opened it. Let's see what is inside. It's too hard for me. Oh, wow, there's candy! That's good. Ooh, what is... Oh, wow, these are so cool! Wow, what is this? Oh, nothing. Wow! It's so cool. Let's open it. I can't know how to open. Guys, this is Mickey Mouse and Mickey. But for you, push these thingies. These rings will float. Okay. Ooh, smells nice. Okay. Oh, there's one balloon. Okay. I can't know how to blow this, guys. Okay, can't get it though. Wow, so cool. Wow, this is so cool. This one, robot right here. This one's in my tab, so. It's an apple. I said that this things will make music, but they don't. Okay, let's see this lollipop. Oh, it's balloon pop. Okay, I think it's so nice. Get it out. I'm just pulling the out. Oh, I think I'll do the chocolate one. Okay. Now the vanilla. Oh yeah, I do the vanilla. Wait, I got an idea. Let's mix two of them. That would be cool. What should I make? Next flavor. Lollipop. But Mom is not. My mom is not here. I should do like this, guys. Like flying in the air. Okay, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, sour. So that's how today's day, guys. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoy my car video. And click my videos and subscribe to me. Bye.